I was upstairs listening to my friends on YouTube when all of a sudden noise. I said, what's that? Pulled off my headphones and I don't know, but I recorded then, and there apparently is a march that was taking place here at Honolulu Airport. I'm going to send it into ShutterStock. It's my very first ShutterStock. I was so happy I finally someplace where there's the news. We'll see.
This picket is in support of Gate Gourmet and their workers in Honolulu. And we are AFA, the Flight Attendants Association, in representation with Hawaiian Airlines, and we're here to support them.
And it's my very first ShutterStock. If you don't know what ShutterStock is, it's a place you can sell some pictures. So here I took a really good one, I think, and so I hope I'll make $1 or two. But if you're not sure what ShutterStock is or how to work, sell yours as well, turn to Nicole Glass. I will listen all the time to her, and she's fabulous. So there we go.